Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to product unboxing, and as usual we're back again with another unboxing, and this time it's a Louis Vuitton again because as you can tell I love Louis Vuitton, and this time we're unboxing two things that I recently purchased. So these are the receipts, and I accidentally did that, but yeah, it should be fine. And as usual, it's the thank you letter over there and some return things in case you wanna return the item, return tickets. Yeah. Anyway, without further ado, let's unbox. So the first item. Can you guys guess what this might be? So they provided this paper bag in case you're gonna give it as a gift or something. So yeah. And yeah, as usual, the ribbon and tags. Really cute. I love it. And they had a drawstring dust bag, which I really like because the other one is not as nice as the drawstring. So ta-da! It's a belt. This is a reversible one, which I like, so you can wear it with the monogram on the side, or you can wear it the other way as well. So it's like having two belts, which is amazing. Like two belts in one kind of thing going on. And I'll just show you guys how to take this out, and so you can use the other side. So I just took it out, so I just pushed it from there, and then that's how it came out. It's a bit difficult to push it out because I don't want to damage it or anything. So anyway, I'm just gonna turn it around so I can use the other side, and I'm just gonna put it like this and just pop it back in, and there you have it. So you can use it like this. And then if you want to close it, you just pop it like that. It's very easy. Yeah. And then now we move on to the next belt. I'm just gonna put this on the side. And now for the second one. The packaging is very similar to the first one that I unboxed, and it also came with this paper bag. So yeah, it has the ribbon and the tags. And now let's see what's inside. And it's another belt. It's a reversible as well, because I really want something that I can use and like I can switch up a bit. So I chose another black one and monogram as well. But the difference is this one is a bit thicker than the other one, and it doesn't have the circle on the logo. And the leather is a bit different. It's more grainy, I should say, and the other one is softer. And I'll show you guys the other one to compare it with. So this is the other one. And the logo, I mean the monogram, is smaller as well. But they both look really nice. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching.